Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Learn with Continental. Today we are going to show you how to make money on Facebook. Whether you are an entrepreneur, small business owner, or just looking to monetize your online presence, this video is for you. The first thing is setting up your Facebook profile. Before we dive into making money, let's set up your Facebook profile for success. You can't make money on Facebook without having a Facebook page. So the first thing you do is to create a Facebook page. I have a video on how to create a Facebook page, how to create a monetizable Facebook page. So the video, I'll keep the link in the comment section or in my description. So feel free to check out the video on how to create a Facebook page.
After setting up your profile, Facebook profile, the step 2 is Facebook monetization strategies. Now let's go into it. 1, we have affiliate marketing, we have sponsored posts, Facebook groups, Facebook marketplace, Facebook ads, selling products / services. Let's take a look at one of them, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. What this means is you don't need to own a product. All you have to do is help somebody or company market their product. So for instance now, this company produces biro and they want to sell them at $30 each. So you take the product, you help them sell. So whenever somebody buys from you, you have percent from the sale. That's affiliate marketing. You don't need to produce any product. You just need to help them sell their products. So benefits of affiliate marketing: 1, low overhead cost. This means you don't need money to start affiliate marketing. All you need is Facebook account, a phone or laptop, internet connection, basic marketing skills or software like Canva or Hotsuite, and your time. That's all you need to become an affiliate marketer. So second benefit of it is, like I said, you don't need to produce anything. You are not expected to produce any products. You just help them sell and make your money. Third is passive income potential. Passive income potential is still the same thing you're saying. It's any money without doing any huge work. It's like once you just if you see those Facebook creators, once they create video, they earn money from it repeatedly. So that's how affiliate marketing works. Once you put up that link, that your product online, people can buy it this year, buy it next year, buy it next 10 years, as long as the product is still in existence. So you just post the link and forget about it. People will still buy, you still making your money while sleeping or doing other things. So that's one of the benefits. Another benefit again, the fourth benefit is flexibility. You can do affiliate marketing when you're on holiday, you can do it when you're playing football, you can do it when you're cooking, you can do it anywhere. So affiliate marketing is so flexible. You do it at your own time, whenever you want, whenever you choose to. That's how affiliate marketing is. So how to get started? How do you get started? You choose a niche. Like niche is a particular thing that you'll be doing. Now if you are into gymming or fitness, you can be selling fitness kits. Or you're into tech, you can be selling phones, putting your affiliate link so people can buy phones from the company and you get yourself cool cash. So after choosing a niche, you sign up for programs or you look for programs like Share a Sale and Amazon Associates. So you browse more, you check the popular programs that are related to affiliate marketing. So when you sign up, you get your referral link, your affiliate referral link, then you put it on your content. People buy from you, as easy as that, and you start making money. So that's that. Top popular affiliate programs are like the Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and Rook 10. That's all. That's all you have to know about affiliate marketing. As simple as that.